Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this video we will know about Lofted cut. So first of all I create a 3D part, top plane, sketch, normal. I create a cylinder, circle, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to extrude boss base feature, mid plane, extrude up to 100 mm, 150 mm. Okay. Now I select this face, sketch, normal. I create here a center rectangle. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Now select this face, sketch, normal. I created a circle. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Now go to Lofted cut. Here this is Lofted cut. Select this profile and this profile. Okay. This is the Lofted cut. The other remaining options are same that I explain in Lofted boss base feature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.